Okay, so we're going to open up CapCut and do this video today in CapCut. You're going to click on New Project to bring up the video that you want to use as your A-roll. Find the video you want to use. You'll see me select my video. Once I click that video, the next step is going to be adding in B-roll. So I'm going to look down and I'm going to click Overlay. It's the button in the middle with the square. And me clicking Overlay is going to allow me to add a video on top of this video. This is called the B-roll. I'm going to click Add Overlay. I'm going to pick another video that I want to go on top of that video. You'll see me select that video. Now I have it selected. I can resize it by pinching the sides or the middle. You'll see me do that in a couple seconds. Resizing it, I can move it around. I got the video in place, and I can even make the video shorter, which I suggest on shorter videos. So you're going to see me go to the end of the second video, drag, and make it shorter. You'll see what that does in a couple seconds. We'll play it again. Here goes the B-roll, and you'll see it go right back to the A-roll. Watch again if you need to. But that's just adding in B-roll. You'll see me do this step again so you see it. If I wanted to make this transition smoother or creative, I can go ahead and go to animation and choose one of these options. You'll see me play the video using that animation. Now for me, I don't like that stuff. I like just normal B-roll, but you can do whatever you like because it's your video. Now you're going to see me add another B-roll, add overlay. Grab the next video you want. Once it's loading, you can resize it. You can make the video shorter. I'm going to make this video shorter on purpose so you see me grab the end of it or the start of it to make it shorter. You'll see me grabbing the end, making it shorter. Now let's go ahead and play it so we can see what it looks like. There we go, voila. Simple way to start adding some B-roll to your videos. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them.